Hello, and thank you for joining us for another one of Sporty's Product PIREPs. Today we're going to talk about the Logitech Flight Sim Joystick. I think this is a great piece whether you're brand new to the flight simulation community and wanting to test some things out, or if you're a seasoned simmer and you want to work on maybe the instrument focus of simming, where it's changes of your heading by a few degrees rather than testing your flaring skills. It's a great starting piece because it takes care of the necessities. And I equate those to roll. It also takes care of pitch. It also has yaw control by twisting of the stick. And then lastly, we have a lever which controls your throttle or engine management. I equate those with the necessities because, roll and pitch are obvious. But when it comes to yaw, some people might say, I don't need that in order to go sim. I can attest it is almost impossible to taxi to a runway without having control of a yaw, starting from a parking spot, going to your runway center line. It's also very difficult to take off if you have any component of crosswind, or to land in a crosswind if you don't have yaw control. It's going to get a little messy. Throttle control is also a necessity when it comes to obviously taking off. Or if you want to really control your descent profiles, try and hit your numbers specifically, it's a great way to control that and make those small little changes rather than button changes. We also have a hat switch on top of this stick, which allows us to look at different views outside the airplane. And if we go inside the airplane, the hat switch also shows those important views that are necessary when flying. There are also 4 other customizable buttons on top. We have 2 other buttons that we can configure to our liking, and 6 on the side. Now currently, these front 2 are set for our trim tabs. So as you can see, trim is in transition right now. And then we also have our flaps set. Here I am incrementally adding flaps and retracting said flaps. Another great feature about this stick is I didn't configure this at all when I plugged it into our PC. Out of the box, these are the commands that this stick will send to the flight simulator. So it is literally a plug and play type of system. That concludes our Logitech Flight Sim Stick PIREP. We hope this video was informative and may have answered a couple questions you might have for future purchases. We ask that you'll tune back for additional PIREP videos, and as always, have fun digitally flying.